Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it is the weekly check-in for January. This is going to be my second week, but possibly your third week if you are watching somebody else's check-ins. But this is my second week because I did switch or skipped it. So before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know if you are loving these weekly check-ins. Let me know how you are doing also, and if you have a channel, I would love to go and support you guys. I am more than willing to give you courage, get to know you, and hopefully become friends. So let's just get started so this won't be very long. All right, so it is going to run from the 16th through the 22nd. Now on the 16th, we did get some gas. And that was $20. I had to fill up. I was really running on E on that one. And then that is all that we spent on the 16th. On the 17th, I used my cushion, which is, I think, maybe I ran out of stickers for that one. Cushion is light blue, and let's see if I have an extra one because I literally just ran out. Okay, I got one. So cushion, which is my debit card, I paid $5 for a bridal expose. It was my first one, and it was on Sunday, and I was so happy that I went. It was really fun, you guys. It really was. So I only spent $5. That's how much it was. And then we went grocery shopping afterwards, or after I paid for that, really. And that was $27. And everybody knows, if you are a frequent watcher, I do grocery hauls on Sundays. So they usually come up about 8 o'clock in the morning. So make sure you go and check that out if you want to. And then on the 18th and 19th, I did not spend any money. On Saturday, we had a birthday party to go to, but the food was free. And then on the 19th, we had that bridal expose, and I did not book anything because I just wanted to fill everything out. So we did not spend anything. So that is a no spend. And a no spin right there also. All right, moving along for the 20th, after I had to drive that day and drive on the 19th. So I had to fill up on gas again. And I went ahead and did $30. Just so I don't have to fill up anymore. Well, that's a lie. I'll get into it in a minute. All right. Oop, I did it wrong. Oh, no. All right. So that was on the 20th. On the 21st, I went to the doctor, so I had to drive some more, you guys. So that actually came out of my medical. And I spent $75 at the doctor's office. And then I went to Subway afterwards because I was there from like 10 to about 12:30. I was starving, you guys. So I used my cushion, which is my debit card. I got Subway for me and my future sister-in-law, so I paid $10 for that. And then that is it. And then on Wednesday, I had to get some prescriptions filled. So for medical, I had $9 left. So I used the rest of that $9. Okay, and then I used my cushion. I'm going to say medical again because I didn't have enough and I had to cover the copay, which was, or the rest of it, because it was like $16. No, it was $17. So I had to pay the rest. And there you have it, folks. So this is everything that I spent. So on Thursday, we got gas. Friday, we had a bridal expose ticket that we had to buy. Groceries was $27. And then 18th and 19th with a no spend. I had to fill it back up on gas. And then I had to drive on Tuesday for the doctor's appointment, and that was $75. Subway was $10. And then Wednesday, which is today when you're watching this, or not today when you're watching this, when I'm filming this, it is on Wednesday. When you're watching this, it is on Thursday. But we left the house at 10 o'clock this morning, or 9:30 this morning, and we have been gone all day touring wedding venues, me and my future sister-in-law, because we're both getting married a year apart. So we have been touring venues and everything and driving around. So it was a lot of driving. So I'm probably going to have to fill up on gas one more time, maybe like $10 or so, because I work the rest of the week. But anyway, so that is everything that I spent. So we're going to move on to our weekly check-in page. All right. So groceries for $50. I had $50 remaining. I spent $27. So I should have $23 left. Gas, I spent $50. I should have $10. Fun money, I had $0. Out to eat was $0. Cushion, I spent, how much did I spend? $5, $10, so that's $15, and then $8, so 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So $23 is how much I spent. And I had $37 left. So that was $14 left. And then sinking funds, I spent $75 and $9. So 75 plus 9 equals $84 is how much I spent. And I don't have the calculation because we did not do a sinking fund stuffing, so I don't know the total amount of all my sinking funds. But this is everything, guys. This is my weekly check-in. I hope y'all are enjoying this. Let me know down below what you think I should cut back on, because I really want to cut back. I've been doing good on out to eat. I haven't been stuffing it a lot. I have been fluctuating between $80, $60, $40 for fun money. So let me know what else I can budget. Maybe I can go lower on groceries. Who knows? But anyways, I hope y'all are having a great week. Have a great weekend. If I don't see you, hopefully y'all will, because I will be posting again on Friday and Saturday and Sunday and Monday. So you should get a video every single day. If not, I apologize. I will figure it out. But anyways, love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.